Today I'm going to eat not all of these, but 4 of these. These are all the kinds. These are the different kinds. First, this is like the chocolate. These are actually lollipop ice chewing. This is like caramels. Do we need scissors? Why can't I take this out? I don't know what is happening. So we got this. This looks really, really golden color. Wait. It smells like Coca-Cola. Let me eat this in parts. Make sure my mouth doesn't go all bubbly like Coca-Cola does and other sodas. Other sodas does. A little bit plasticky because it's new. I'm going to rate this. A 6 out of 10. It's still good, but I have to try it again. Make sure it's not like plasticky. Let's try it again and make real this time, like a check mark. Good. This is an 8.5 out of 10. Really good. Sorry, it was stuck in my tooth. I had to do this. There's also a weird line.